हेलो फ्रेंड्स। ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ कैंडल जला के, ये ट्रिक आपको दिखाना था. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ ಲೋಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಿವಿ ಓಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಓಲೆಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀजर ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. आमेले उसके बाद आप देखना मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे पास एक ही कैंडल है. तो ये भी मुझे बर्थडे के केक के साथ आया है कैंडल, तो उसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. मैं तो हमेशा घर में कैंडल उतना नहीं रखती, इसलिए. सो पहले प्रोसीजर दिखाती हूँ. फर्स्ट the guidance is, please be careful with the candle. If you're not good at handling the heat, then please take the help of people who can help you in this. So here, this is very easiest trick. You need to fill the stud, which is actually open, right, with candle wax, okay, and as well as the sticks which has been attached to the stud, which we actually put inside the ear what we have pierced. So now actually what I'm trying to tell here is some important tips, or I can say this will help for many people. Usually what happens is people, right, cannot use artificial or imitation jewelry because of the sweat what we have, right? So this trick will help you, ये बोलना चाहती थी मैं. So if you actually use the wax, candle wax around the earring, okay. So now this is the thing, so I'm showing it you from very close, okay. So around the earring, right, as well as the tip, I actually coated with wax. ठीक है. तो when you coat with the wax, what happens is, even after you put it into your ear, right, if you fix, after fixing, you need not bother if you sweat or even if the water, if you take bath, what happens, the wetness directly touches the wax, okay. So no problem of allergies. So the people, like, see, like me, I love wearing different ornaments, especially for ear and hand. I'm not that crazy, but ear, yes. For hand, I don't know, as of now I never found the trick, बट इन फ्यूचर आई फाइंड फॉर दैट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज अभी तो गोल्ड की ज्वेलरी बहुत कॉस्टली हो चुकी है, सिल्वर भी कॉस्टली हो चुकी है. तो हम लोगों को इमिटेशन के पास भी, मतलब उसको भी यूज़ करना है कि गोल्ड सारा इकट्ठा नहीं कर सकते. यस. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द ट्रिक विच आई हैव टॉट यू. सो ये मेन एक्चुअली सिल्वर का ज्वेलरी है. ಇದು ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು. Try it, it will surely help you, and because it helped me, I'm sharing it. I think so none of the people, never, no one would have tried. And you, this is like, no one, it is not visible also, okay, it's not visible for everyone. So this will help you a lot, because even if you use the ear what I can say, ear bead, it's visible, and the one anyhow bead cannot go inside the hole of your ear, right? So this trick actually works. So try this and do share in the comment. This is only for ladies. And then I'm going to show you one more thing, that is about Zepto. So catch you there. Friends, I actually ordered many things from Zepto, through Zepto I can say. So now here it is, Zepto is turning 3 and this is a gift from Zepto. So I'll share you what are the goodies we have inside this. Swiss cheese, Ragi bites, girl unfurl intimate wipes for her, Happy Low Premium International Healthy Nut Mix. So here we got Sampoon Tata turmeric powder, Special Continental 100% pure instant coffee powder, and this is the energy drink from Hurricane. That's all. That was lovely from Zepto.